welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to announce this new course in Python for computer vision. Ever wondered how self-driving cars see the road, or how the Instagram filter magically track your face? The answer is computer vision, and this is the secret. You didn't need a PhD, let's say, to build your this system. With Python, you can create a powerful image processing tools from scratch, starting, let's see, with this course. So, but let's be honest. Most of the tutorials in the internet either skip the practical stuff, or just they just teach the Python, pure Python. I mean, without any, let's say, building application on top of this. So you learn Python basic, but then what? So how do you actually process thousand? Let's see, in this course, how many? How do you actually process thousands of images? How do you simulate defects for training AI? How how will you build, let's say, a tools professional for professional use? So that's I have created this course, not just another Hello World, let's see, course or tutorial. It's a hands-on a journey where you will build a real computer vision toolkit step by step while mastering Python along way side. So as you know, Python is the number one language for computer vision, and here's why. It's simple and backed with libraries like OpenCV, Pillow, and PyTorch, and Keras, TensorFlow, and many others, Pandas as well. But here's the catch. Most courses, let's say, teach Python in isolation. You learn, let's say, list, loops, and then get stuck when it's time to process an actual data, let's see. And in this course, you will learn Python through a computer vision. Every concept, variables, functions, object-oriented will be directly into real-world task. For instance, a list is not just a list, it's how to store images, data, uh, anything, or paths for batch processing, for instance. A function is not just a syntax, it's how to automate, for instance, resizing 1000 images in one click, for instance. So for instance, by end of this course, you will try to ship tools like this CLI. That's a professional use daily, and I will try to show you how to do this stuff from scratch. So for regarding the Python, let's go dive into what we will build. So I have this course is divided into, let's see, into several phases indeed. So the first one is Python foundation for computer vision. So if you go here, you can see, for instance, this is the beginning of the Python from one to, it's already mentioned here. Okay, no. So as you can see, for instance, from this is the basic of Python introduction and core of Python for computer vision, then object-oriented programming for computer vision. So the core Python variable loops functions applied to image loading, editing, and object-oriented will try to build a professional classes to organize your code like a professional, and also file handling, automate dataset organization, train, test, split, valid, and etc. And the core of computer vision techniques, the next section I will see, for instance, image processing and the essential computer vision algorithm. So it's like Sobel edge detection, SIFT features extraction and segmentation, and also data augmentation, simulate scratches, noise, and lighting changes. So if we have, let's see, a small data set and you would like to use a deep learning, so for this you might need to add artificial defects to your data, just to make it, let's see, to have more data. So data augmentation, and I will try to show you how to add noise, how to add the scratches into your data images. And also we will see advanced application. I will try to show you if I still have time, because I'm quite sure I will do it. But let's see, imagine. But so I will just show you how the PaDiM anomaly detection is working, and how to optimize it. So the original implementation is, for each image it took 500 millisecond. For each image you need to process, for 1 second you can process only 2 images. And assume you have, in the real time, I mean in the factory, in the product line, you have many items. So in this case I will try to show you how to improve stuff. For instance, using factorization, using converting models to another models, and many other tricks. And I'm quite sure that after the optimization, the running time will be, let's see, what I have here in my PC. It's five to 20 milliseconds. This is the time. So it's, imagine, it's from 500, it's reduced to 20 milliseconds. And this is the course, and I will start tomorrow to upload the beginning of the first, let's say, lessons. And wait, and also we will see how to add the anomaly, and you using CLI commands. And again, unlike other courses, you won't just watch, you will build. And here's what makes this different: project based. Every section ends with mini project. So as you can see from the beginning, each section has, sorry, wait, yeah, sorry, as I said, it's every section end with a mini project. And you will learn how to use Beauty, Git, and also CLI. And the most, let's say, important stuff, it's a pre-commit. So if you are working with many, let's say, colleagues, and you would like to make the code more consistent, so that's why I will show you here in this course how to use pre-commit lib. And most of the courses stop at, let's see, I mean, other courses stopped at OpenCV, and we will go deeper with PaDiM, and also computer vision, deep learning system, and optimization. So whether you are aspiring AI or a beginner, and or a Python diff looking to upskill or upskill your, let's say, your skills, this course is yours. Is your fast track to computer vision. And yeah, if you like this course, please subscribe into my channel, like the videos, of course. And you have any question, or you would like to add, let's see, some topics, just please let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.